It's test day. We got the Mustang on the radials, got the front tires aired up, we got Zach, we got Tristan here, and I'm just gonna choose one of the three that I got, Mountain Dew, Coca-Cola, or Dr. Pepper, and then I wanna say I'll just grab one of them and let's go testing.
Hear that, guys? It's sticky. On asphalt, that is sticky. I'd say that's a pass. That is a passing grade. Let's see, Dr. Pepper is good.
Like it felt good, but like it didn't feel fast.
Could have been better.
Yeah, like it just felt like it left on maybe 5 pounds. It honestly felt super slow.
It looked good.
Like, it was spinning the tires a little bit when you were trying to get on the two-step. So
yeah,
that's why.
That was the first time I was launching at 2,700 RPM.
Yeah, the first
and it was
one,
spinning it because I couldn't.
The first one was a lot worse. The second one was barely just
chirping it. Really?
Yeah.
But dude, my fucking foot was like.
It was still barely spinning them.
Dang. That's probably not helping either.
No.
You know, it's chirping. I'm gonna get called. Hey, you jumped? No, I just trying to hit two-step. But like, I mess with these, and I feel like that's not gonna. Yeah, it's probably messing with me, honestly. I put a new gasket in there, and I twisted these little things in. I might look at it again and might have to push them back in. I don't know. I'll look at it. And then this damn thing got hot on me, so I had to put it to the alternator for the fan wires to kick on. But other than that, how'd it look? I mean,
it looked really good.
It looked good.
Pretty good. We kind of chose a bad spot because right after you left, there was a bump on the right side.
Was it?
That you were hitting?
Yeah.
There's a bump in the road? I didn't feel shit.
It was on the
Well,
right
I did
side.
feel like first gear was like it just like spun and hit rev limiter.
Literally, like right after you left is right where it was.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't a big one, but it was noticeable.
I wish I had the Dragon. The Dragon was dead. I'm sorry. You will never see in time.
I plug it in for you, but your toolbox ain't plugged in.
Yeah. Yeah, but I was like, damn, we're always unprepared when we want to go do cool stuff.
And you planned for this.
Not really.
Kinda.
Well,
You told me yesterday. You had all. It says yesterday to plug it in.
Shit.
It's kind of, hey, we're gonna do this, but
we don't know
when are we
exactly
gonna
when. Like I've had that stuff sitting for I don't know, a week, 2 weeks now.
But I think
about a week now.
Yeah, like
I think Dr. Pepper is a pass.
Dr. Pepper's a pass.
Yeah.
We might go check the road out again.
It gets a passing grade.
It gets a passing grade. Should we take one of the cars and go look at it real fast?
Nah, I got it on video.
You got it on video of a good stick?
Yeah.
All right, good job. That boy Zach.
Cue the video.
Yeah, cue the. Pretty good. Yeah.
Hear that, guys? It's sticky. That's all I did.
But no, it could go faster. Something's up. You know, I know it's leaking here too out of the manifold, which sucks. Okay, I tried. I'll have to cut it and get a new flange, and you know, there's a new gasket in there. Okay, and they're tight, but they still leak. So time to V-band.
Yeah, I think whenever you get the new setup, everything should be V-banded.
Yeah,
and,
good to go. Like no
stuff.
more messing with the 4-bolt flange.
Yeah, plus it'll be a whole lot easier to work on these. Instead of working around all these bolts trying to get them all out, all you gotta do is boop, done.
Good.
So are we putting little turbos on the Lexus?
Little turbos are going on something, but they gotta come off mine because this ain't working. Look how dirty that is, man. Oh my Lanta. It's like I don't even drive it, Zach.
It's like you drive it all the time and don't take care of it.
Oh, watch your mouth. But I guess I'll look at it tomorrow and see if I can mess with it. I don't know. It's just weird. Whatever it's doing, I gotta figure this out. Zach, can you stop messing with the frogs?
He was trying to get in here. He
No.
wanted us to LS swap his car.
Look at that. I tried to put stuff in this here big old gap, and well, it fell out. Look at that. It's hard as a rock. All right, you ready to get the old S10 unloaded? Yep. All right. I got the key. We'll get it backed up.
Pitter patter.
Pitter who?
Pitter patter.
I don't know who the hell Pitter
After
Patter.
viewers will get it.
Pitter patter. All right. You said it, not me. All right. Well, here we go. Let's get this bad girl unloaded. I forgot to take the straps off. Ah, that sucks. You got yours? Hey, my DeWalt. Look at that. Found it. All right, Tristan, get in. You get the cool job. Ah. But look at this. Also, we got them unbent. Look at that. There's. Huh? There you go. Yeah, you can open the door.
I don't want to ding it.
Look how nice that is. Woo!
This is up high enough.
Look at how good that
It's
is.
a hazard.
Look how good that
Oh
is.
God, I'm too short.
You're good. You ready? I'm gonna start pushing. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. That should be good. Good.
All right, Zach's gonna try to get the GoPro back. Yo, no!
Good.
Ah, look at that. Nice. We got it in. Guess what's leaking? Power steering fluid. Like normal. Oh my gosh. Why has everything got to leak on my floor?
It's normally
You're not doing it right if it ain't leaking.
it's normally transmission
Hey.
fluid, so we're good.
Hey, shitbox 101. If it ain't got fluids, oh, wait, what is it?
If it ain't leaking,
If it ain't leaking, it ain't got nothing. I forgot what it was.
Couldn't even say it one try. Come
I
on,
know.
man. Come on, man.
I'm tired. My
Man.
9 o'clock. What time is it?
Well, Wolfie, the truck's in the shop. But pretty much, you want to pop the hood? Hey, you want to pop the hood? Yeah, you got me.
What you're paying me for, right?
Yeah, pop. Oh, man, that's aggressive. A little bit, man.
Hey, it was the truck, not me.
All right, see, look at that. That's
got
so
it.
simple, man. Like, It's just a little V6. I think the heads are still on it. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be super simple to pull it out. Here. If you need something, ask for it, man. Don't be afraid.
Try not to talk during
Don't
the
be
video.
afraid, man. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. Oh yeah. There's so much activity, Zach. There's so much activity in here.
So much room for improvement.
Hopefully there's going to be a lot of room, but you got to think we're adding 2 more cylinders, so this is going to be
The same
probably
size?
about the.
Look at that. Look at that. That looks like the same size as me.
Maybe that is just because that crank's really big.
Yeah, it looks like a long crank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah, so obviously in the next video you guys are gonna be seeing, it's us pulling the engine. And just obviously pulling the engine, trans, shifter, drive shaft, anything else?
Computer. Anything that we know we're not gonna need. So like that computer, the engine. We'll probably leave this for now, just because we don't know.
Yeah,
how it's gonna work.
I still haven't looked up any pretty much parts for like an ABS delete and pretty much stuff that I honestly don't know off the top of my head, like how to actually do it. Like that's what part that scares me. Like I've been watching videos of how we're gonna do this. It seems alright.
But we know we're not gonna use the engine, transmission, or drive shaft, so those can
come out. You know, this whole front clip is gonna come off, so it's maximum area. Yeah, maximum efficiency. Okay, efficiency. You what? I watched it, fool.
Maximum efficiency.
Maximum efficiency.
Maximum effort.
Yeah, maximum effort.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, obviously drop a like, guys. We're at 1,700 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000. Alright. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.